Hey, thanks for joining me for another video on how to use the Fence Genius software. Let's talk about arch panels. What can you do with arch panels? Well, arch panels come in both convex and concave, and as you know, in Fence Genius software, everything adapts to the terrain, so it can become a pretty complicated shape, but the good thing is the algorithms take care of those shapes. Anyway, let's take a look at this job that I've got open here. We can go to the panel styles and let's go take a look real quick at the catalog. So we'll go to the panel styles and let's go to the filter here. Instead of jumping through all the styles trying to find them, go to the filter. You're in wood. Go down to, if you want concave, go there. And so we're here. And we can add, freely add what we want. We can go on to save that. And when we come back into what we have added into our styles that we're going to work with, we can decide that we're going to edit this panel right here if we choose to. I generally clone the style so that I don't mess up the original, but even if you do mess up the original, you can just go back to the catalog and get another one. So I'm going to clone it, and then we can go into this and edit the clone and the types of things we can do. As always with the panels, we can move the rails how we want. We can do something like remove the middle rail. So maybe you don't want 3 rails, maybe you want 2, maybe you want that to be slightly up. You can increase the severity of the arch or the convex shape. You can also create a flat area in it, so just to change the style. You could go change like the gap width if you want. You can make gap patterns if you go to multiple. That's kind of cool if you have a sequence of board shapes and sizes. You can change the board width here to whatever you might want. And then go down here and I've got a whole nother video on changing tip shapes, but I just did that real quick. So that's the majority of what you would do. You can certainly take the trim off if you just want to uncheck that. And when you're done playing with the editing, just press save. And now we can go back into our fence system and it will jump over to the fence system itself. And now that style we've just edited is dropped in there, and every part and piece of every unique panel is actual data, so it can be produced. I mean, these are all different lengths, all different angle relative to the tip. So anyway, hey, thanks for joining me, and happy fence building.